Okay, so first of all, I have this table here, and I want to rearrange it so it looks like this table here. To start with, I have the headings being repeated multiple times, so I will start by pulling out just the rows that have numbers. I will number all of the rows going down the side. And we can see that the rows that have numbers are the even numbered rows. And I will create this pattern of numbers using a sequence formula. The rows will be 5 and the columns will be 1. I'll have a start of 2 and also a step of 2. And close brackets and enter. And now I have a sequence of 5 numbers in one column, starting at 2 and then increasing by 2 each time. I can then put this inside of a choose rows formula. And the array will be this table here. And then the row numbers will be the results of the sequence formula, and close brackets and enter. And now I have pulled out all of the rows that have numbers. Now, even though I don't want multiple copies of the headings, I do still want one copy. So the first occurrence of these headings is in rows 1 and 3. So I'm going to edit this formula to put the numbers 1 and 3 in here in front of the sequence formula. And then I get a copy of the headings included as well. Then the next step is to put all of this inside of a 2-column formula. And this will force everything into just one column. Then I'm going to do the opposite of this and put everything inside of a WRAPROWS formula. The vector will be this part here, and then the wrap count will be 6, and this will force everything to spread out across 6 columns. And now you'll see I have the headings at the top and all of the numbers laid out correctly underneath. Then I want to get the headings down the side, so I'm going to do this using a unique formula. And this here will be the array and enter. And this gets me a unique list of the values in this column. Then I don't want to have the NA errors here, so I'm going to edit this formula. And at the end of the WRAPROWS formula, I am going to put in a pad width, which is going to be 2 quotation marks with nothing in between. And this will force these 3 cells here to have nothing in them. Then I'm going to copy all of this and I will paste it as values. And the final step is to get rid of these 2 zeros here, as they are actually blank cells in the table and the formula is turning them into zeros. So I'll select all of this and then go to Find and Select and Replace. And then go to Options and tick the checkbox for Match Entire Cell Contents. In the Find What box, I'm going to put in a 0, and in the Replace With box, I'm going to leave that empty. Then I'll click on Replace All, and we get 2 replacements, and OK and Close, and now these zeros have been removed. Okay, so in this video I have shown you how to rearrange a table in Excel, and that is everything.